Module 4, Lesson 7, Classification of Solutions. This is very similar to what we did in the last section, only we're going to be able to look at the equation once we have completed the first two steps of distribution and combining like terms. We're going to be able to look at what we have left in the equation and decide if we have one solution, no solution, or infinite number of solutions. So let's take a look here. Now remember, you have to have already distributed and combined like terms on each side of the equal sign before you can start making these decisions. If you look at the x term and the coefficient in front of the x is different, then you will always have one solution. If you look at the x term and it is the same, okay, and always watch signs, it has to be exact same, so +7, +7. Then we have to look to our constant number. The constant number here is different. The constant number here is the same. So if the constant number is different but the x coefficient was the same, that means we have no solutions. If the constant is the same and the x coefficient is the same, that means we have an infinite number of solutions. So here's a flow chart similar to what I'm going to give you for Module 4, Lesson 7. How many solutions does an equation have? Well, first of all, you need to distribute to eliminate the parentheses. Then you need to add the like terms on each side of the equal sign. And then you can stop. You don't need to keep going to solve the equation. You can. Remember, if you solve it and you get a false statement, that means there's no solution. If you solve it and you get a true statement, that means there's an infinite number of solutions. And if you solve it and you get like x equals 4, then there's one solution. So you ask yourself, does the equation have the same x coefficient on both sides of the equal sign? If you say no, you have one solution. If you say yes, then you have to decide if the constant is the same on both sides of the equation. So if the constant is not the same, then you have no solution. If the constant is the same, then you have infinitely many solutions. So I'll give you a paper copy of this flow chart, but this is handy to think about as you're going through these problems.